Troy Kern's bringing it to you from New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm in Metairie, Louisiana. About ready to hop over to one of my flips. We bought this property actually because one of my friends was flipping a house. I said, let's go check it and see if I can find one out here. And we did. And then the contractor that we hired was actually the plumber, and he did a really good job on the plumbing, but he doesn't know how to do contracting. And so this was a house with a cracked foundation, a majorly cracked foundation, like so much so that we had to spend $32,000 fixing the foundation. So now I've got my savior, Ryan Rivers, here in here fixing this property. So he got us a new roof on there. So I know we got a new roof right now. Let's go check it out. If you didn't see this emblem, what kind of car would you guess this is? This is a really nice car. This is a really nice SUV. We're just gonna show you inside real quick, just a little side note. This is one I rented on Turo. That looks as nice as any SUV that I've driven in a while. Troy Kern's real estate investor bringing it to you from Metairie, Louisiana, just outside of New Orleans, Louisiana. And we're hopping in my flip, the one with a huge foundation issue. It cost us $32,000 to fix it. We're gonna go inside, check it out, see what's going on. Come on. What up, dude? How you doing?
Trying to live life.
Yeah, how's it going? Good? What's up, what's up? What's going on with this one, dude? Hand rolling it?
Rolling it out.
So literally, this is the same tile that we've been using for years. So we're just trimming this thing out. Like literally, if you look, we're using the same floor tiles, same everything tile. I bought like a ton of this stuff from Floor and Decor, like I don't remember, $16,000 worth that we were just burning through. Turned out to be a pretty good move knowing that the supply chain's gonna be dead. So we got one room here. The other major expense in this one is gonna be the backyard, as you can see right here. We gotta build like 3 fences. You got every fence that's falling down. Bunch of trees to trim up. This is the master bathroom right here. Oh man, what's up, dude?
How you doing?
I'm Troy.
Louis.
Louis. This looks dope, man. Whose design was that? Brian's?
River, yeah.
Look at that, it looks dope. He's getting the hang of it. So originally this was just a small ass bathroom right here. Now we're putting a shower in here. That looks sick, man. It's a good little design. Floor and Decor. What do we pay for that? Who knows? Guarantee his is listening to joke videos or some sort of right? What do you got in there?
Cartels.
What is it?
Cartels.
Cartels?
Yeah, I'm beyond jokes now. I've heard it all.
So what's going on? You want to tell us where you're at in this job so far?
Basically picking up where he left off, finishing the tile, finishing the sheetrock. He had somebody come in and paint it, but they didn't fix any of the walls.
I don't know. He was just coming up with all sorts of ideas, and I was like, let's just put it back together.
Yeah, we do have one problem with this. There's not room for a stove, regular stove in either one of these.
So what I had told him before to do is put the stove right here, cut this part out, and he had talked about making a door for a pantry right there instead. Just put the stove right in. That's what we had talked about doing, was just cutting this cabinet out, right? Because they had a cooktop here before, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just cutting this one out. Because we take it out from right here, a stove would fit in there, no problem, right? If we can get that in, that's the cheapest solution because we don't want to put back a cooktop. Did you see the ridge cap over here?
Oh, the roof turns, it goes that way.
Okay.
There's another ridge there.
They knocked it out pretty quick though?
Oh, they had that thing ripped off and retart in an hour.
Really?
Yeah, and then they had started shingling it. They got here at like 4. By the time we left at 6, they had pretty much the back already re-roofed.
How many guys?
Started with like 14 and then re-roofing with like 6.
Oh, so he's got a big crew.
Yeah, they were just rolling through. Because they tore that one off and had it put back on in under 8 hours.
That whole one over there?
Yeah, that 2-story. Yeah, they were booking it. And then he told me his price. I was like, damn, you're cheaper than Alex. Yeah, that's a good price. Labor and materials too.
What's all this stuff? Is this the stuff for the siding?
Huh? No,
That's that parquet floor?
Yeah, that was the floor. There was a bunch of spots where they had nails in it.
It's that parquet floor that was in here originally. How much was this?
$1.
$1. And we don't have to buy the pad.
Don't have to buy the pad. It's thick enough to where we don't have to remove any of this stuff on the floor.
This will look good. This just...
White doors, white trim.
Brian doesn't even ask me for my opinion anymore about stuff. Because he doesn't care.
I mean, my biggest concern would be you got to fill up underneath the house.
Yeah, right underneath there.
Especially under the garage, because somebody drives the car in there and parks it, falls in, right. They're definitely going to have a viable lawsuit on you. The rest of the house, I don't know. I mean, maybe the concrete will hold up over time.
They went and put supports in there.
Yeah, but it's still suspended off of, I mean, you can see it's still suspended off of the contact points. So all he did was go in where it should have had footers contacting it. He just reset new footers.
What's all those shells down there?
That's what all of the coast was. When they originally filled in the swamp, they used oyster shells to all kinds of shit.
Okay, this was all swamp at one point in time?
All in New Orleans, yeah. You hadn't seen the original pictures of New Orleans? Oh, yeah.
The whole thing, this,
Yeah, just get on Google and look up original photos of New Orleans,
Just
like
like-
the hand drafted. Yeah, it's all says swamp. And then some knucklehead come down here like Steve Wynn and was like, I can make a big city here.
why do contractors always have this particular toolbox right here?
You can't steal it.
Can't steal it. What does that mean? People steal your tools?
Once it's loaded with tools, it's too heavy to pick up.
What about it? How do they open it? Is there something secret?
I can't figure out the locks on it, but it's supposed to be unopenable.
The ones that go in here, basically.
Yeah.
So they go.
I usually just stick a padlock in there, and if you're trying to open it, you can't open it. You know, you just slide your padlock in there, hooks to that.
It's called a J box, right?
Joe box.
Joe box. This thing is like the reason that they got. You guys have to lift it out of here. How much does this thing weigh?
With my tools in it, about 500 pounds.
How much do you think we'll get for this house?
4 different shit. I don't know what's the market down here.
Let's see right here on Zillow real quick.
Some of the dirt houses were going for 110, and some of the fixed up houses were going for 110.
So if we go right here to current location on Zillow, we can see right on the other side over there, this house is going for $369,000, and it is a bigger house. But that really doesn't matter. What you want to go to is you want to go filtered, recently sold, and then you can really see what's going on right in that area. It's not going to tell you the price, but we can look that up online. It says it's worth $339 on the Zestimate. That's kind of where I put this thing. Let's see what kind of condition. This is a flip. Looks like it's got the exact same floor plan we have on ours, except for maybe they took out one wall. All right, man, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna head towards Mississippi. Let me know, would you have done something different? Would you have changed the cabinets out? Would you have put different tile in? Or do you like what my choices are? If you like what my choices are, what you should do is like this video, give us a comment, share this video with a friend, and get started in investing in real estate, because you too can be flipping homes all over the country. It's not that hard. Peace.